Hi guys, so I finally did it. I went to Hobby Lobby. I was avoiding it and avoiding it and avoiding it, and today I gotta do it. There's too many cool things, everyone's getting great deals, and I gotta go. So I got a few things. I didn't break the bank, I didn't go too crazy, but it was still more than I'd like to have spent. But that's probably because I bought fabric too. So let me get started. So I got this Create 365 washi tape. Regular $9.99 for $2.50. And let's see if I can open it so you can see it better. So here they are. The pink stripe. Put my glasses on so I can read this. My eyes have gotten worse. I could kind of see before. Now I can barely see close little things. This says, make it happen. Seize the day. And this something, work it. This and work it. I don't know if you can see that. It's really hard to see. Anyway, it's a kind of an aqua color. And this is a rose gold flowery design, and this is different colors. Kind of got pink and green. And let's open it up. Until it's done. Oh, okay. Until it's done, it always seems impossible. See there. I've got a bunch of, we all got a bunch of washi tape, but I never really use it, but I've been trying to start to use it, so. A copper color with white polka dots. And what's this one? It's gray with something. It's hard, I can't see it. Kind of a rose gold copper color design, like leaves or something. A lot of this, if I don't really care for it, I'd use it inside my journals to help secure my pages, to make them, what am I thinking? Like where the journal pages is bent, I'll put it here because some of them kind of split, like the heavy cardstock. So I'll use that to support it better. And I only had one of these. I would have liked to have more. Spare parts. It's called Swivel Clasps. There's 6 pieces. Right, $3.99 for $1. That. It was only one, or I would have definitely got more of those. And I got 2 of the gold butterfly paper clips for $1. Regular $3.99. Let's see. These are mini sticky notes, 8 designs, 10 sheets each. It says punched for personal planners. $3.99 for $1.25. Thought those were cute. I thought if I don't use them as a planner, I'll use them in my journals. And these are really cute. I thought I'd use these in my journal. They're 75 cents. They're fairy tale. Right, or $2.99. They're little like gold glitter in a little jar, which kind of looks like gold, obviously. And I thought those were just really cute. So I got 4 of those because they were just too cute. And then I found some doilies. I thought I had some more, but I guess that's it. Got a couple blue, okay, turquoise. They were 75 cents. Regular $3. So got a couple of turquoise, a couple of red, a gold, and I don't know if I said there's 20 pieces in each. The silver, yellow, and green. I've been wanting some of those, and that's pretty cheap. I got this Maggie Holmes rotary stamp, regular $5.99 for $1.50. I thought these would be good for my journals and for my ATC cards. And here's all the sayings on it. You can pause it and read it. I really don't want to read them all. That's that. And then I thought this was neat. The Happy Planner self-inking stamp, and it's got the bullets. I thought, well, I could use this in anything, not just a journal. So I thought that'd be cool. It was, let's see, does it have a regular price? Regular $7.99, and it was $2. So I thought that was cool. And I used my 40% off coupon on this. I really don't need more Christmas paper, but I liked it because since it's a smaller size, what, 8 by 8? 8 by 8. It'd be good for cards. Since most of my Christmas ones are 12 by 12s, and you know, the print's bigger, so I thought it was really cute. Let's see if I can do this here. It's like 3 or 4 of each. So I thought those were cute. And everything else was on sale, so couldn't use the coupon anyway. Okay, where I did most of my damage was rubber stamps. That's what was marked down the most that was left at my store. I don't know if they're going to continue to do more or not, but that's what I got. So these were Heidi Swap memory planners, regular $4.99, $1.25. Since they got, you know, they're stamps, I can use them anywhere. This is another Heidi Swap stamp, $4.99 for $1.25. And they have this rooster one, $1.27 for 32 cents. I guess it's like a foam stamp. I don't really know how you're supposed to hold it. But it's a foam stamp. I have a rooster, and I got 2 of those because they're 32 cents. This is Inkadinkadoo, regular $9.99 for $2.50, and I just love these because they're beautiful butterfly, dragonfly, hummingbird. And I just thought these were really, really pretty. And I thought these would be perfect for an ATC card or to stamp pages in my journal. They're nice big size. They're like, the widest point is 3.5 inches on this butterfly and the dragonfly for the big ones. And long-wise, 2.5 on the hummingbird. So it's nice big size. Good for a journal. To stamp pages and make them pretty. And I got the Sizzix Framelit Tim Holtz with this crazy bird. I just was like, he's too funny looking, so I had to get him. I don't know the name of him. And it comes with the dies. I mean, $3? I couldn't pass that up. And I'll use that crazy little guy for something because he's too funny. Oh, and I had to get these. This one wasn't on sale either, but I had to get it because it was super cute. It's Momenta, and they are a little cactus. I thought that was fun. I originally was going to use my coupon on that, and then I found the paper. And then this Hero Arts Cling bold print. It's a 6x6. It's for a calendar. I thought that was neat. I figured I could use it for something. Regular $14.99 for $3.75. Like, that'd be useful. And then the rest are block stamps. This one, $13.99 for $3.50. I don't know if it has a name. I don't see a name on it. It's like a world map, a vintagey world map. It's the red rubber stamp. And then this tree was Don't have the regular. Oh, $9.79 for 245. It's called the Pine Tree. Let's see. And it's by Stampabilities. I don't know if it's old or what, but it says copyright 1998. And this was kind of cute. Rather $12.49 for 312. It's trees and little birdies. I thought it'd be a good background stamp. It's called Winter Ledge. And that's penny black. And I got this rooster stamp for $2. Regular $7.99. A rooster. Because I should have showed you the picture first. This reminds me of Key West. There's that part. And I thought this was cute. It's called Cam and Chloe. Regular $9.49 for $2.75. I thought that was really cute. And it's Hampton Arts. I'll get restacked with this so it don't fall over. And this sunflower called Sunflower Ladybug. It was $10.99 for $2.75. And it's a stamp pendus. And this one says, "You make my world a beautiful place. Thanks, Mom." And it says innie and outie, top verse for the outside, bottom verse for the inside. $11.99 for $3. So it's a double stamp for inside and outside. Here's what it looks like on the back. That was pretty cool. Okay, this one, where's the name of it? Judykins. The name's covered up. It's $8.99 for $2.25. It's just like whatever that is, coral or under the sea plant. There's the name, Judykins, with the number. Let's see if I can pull off this tag if it says anything under it. Oh, I kind of ripped off. It's something fan. It says something fan. Yeah, it just ripped it off. So it's some kind of seaweed fan or whatever it is. And this says, "Wishing you and yours a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." I've got lots of Christmas stamps, but nothing really, like, wordy-wise. It's called Wishing You and Yours. It's regular $6.99. I got it for $1.75. And this is a Stampabilities. Just a couple more. This one's Happy New Year. It's Hero Arts. The name is Happy New Year. And I don't know if there's a regular price anywhere. It's $2.25. I don't see anything saying the regular price. And these are just two little cute ones for $1. Little owl. It says Owl 02 is regular $3.99. Stampabilities. And this little crab. It's called Carl the Crab, or Carl Crab. I can't tell if it's focusing or not. There you go. Regular $3.99. It's a Stampabilities. So that's all the stamps. I got a couple other things. Oh, I got this. I don't know if I can get it into the... It stands up. Has a rooster. It has 3 little hanging things here. I'm going to put this in my kitchen. I just thought it was really cute. I don't have a lot of space to hang things in my kitchen, but or set anything, but I'm going to find a way to do it. All this home decor was 50% off, and this was regular $17.99. And it's like, I don't know, iron or whatever this is called. I don't know if it tells on it. It doesn't really say what it's made out of. Some heavy metal stuff. And I broke my, this is a really old ruler that I used to use. I just use part of it now. So it's over 7 inches tall. It's probably like 12 inches. That's that. Broke my ruler. Okay, and the next two are more home decor. Now, I don't usually buy much of this stuff, but I am like an old farmhouse person. I love old farm stuff, old signs. This says farm to fork, grow locally. I just thought this was really cool. I wish I could get it in here better. It's really big, and it hangs with this. It's got the eyelet things there. And it was rather $15.99. There's the tag if it matters, from Hobby Lobby. But it's metal. I just thought it was cool. I like old stuff like this. I'd rather have the real thing, but you know, that's harder to come by, so. And this one, which I thought was cool. Farm fresh milk, pasteurized and homogenized. I think, I can't tell if that's glass or plastic. Has a nice frame around it. Wish I could get the whole thing in, but it's really cool, and it's like glittery in there, but it's made to look old. It's all kind of, you know, distressed. And it has back like this to hang it. There's regular $21.99. So these are all 50% off. Like I said, I usually don't buy this kind of stuff, but those just called my name. And then I picked up a little bit of fabric. There's only a couple that weren't marked down. Shoot, I don't have my receipt. But I got this anchor fabric. I'll get the prices and put them down below. This is really pretty. It's really, I don't know, it's kind of outdoorsy feeling, but it's just really nice feeling. And then this one was super pretty. The purple, the green, and the butterflies. I just thought this was really, really pretty. I probably should have got more because it was like, it was really cheap. It was between $3 and $7. I'm thinking it was the 3. Then this one was marked down. This was ruffle fabric. It's really fun. And lady told me, it's like if you want to, for Halloween, if you want to do a, what is it? A mummy. She said people use this for mummy. So, like, check your store if you think you or your kids want to be a mummy for Halloween, because this was really cheap for what it's regularly priced. So I got that one. And this one was not marked down. And it was super pretty. I only got a half yard of this one, but she kind of gave me a little extra. But I just love this one. This is a really light pink color, in case the camera doesn't pick it up. And this one, this is, it's more white, but there was a whiter one. So this was more of like a gray white when they're next to each other. So that's pretty. And my favorite is this coral one. It's just so beautiful. This is usually really expensive. I was so happy. I really should have bought more because it's on the markdown table. And this stuff is just really expensive. Regular. But I love this. She gave me extra of this too, because the piece was already cut. I was just going to use strips of this in my journals, but I mean, I've got so much here, I want to make something else with it. So if you have any ideas for ruffle fabric, please let me know, because I don't know, this maybe be really cute on a purse, maybe? So that is the fabric. So that was it. That was all my Hobby Lobby haul. Like I said, the fabric's what cost me the most, because everything else was, you saw that, cheap. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And thanks for stopping by. See ya.